Don't do like this as if you're scared. Okay, everybody, Arav, Akshay, don't stare at me. Close your eyes. Is everybody closing your eyes? Yeah. Okay. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Don't open your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm going to show you somebody. Close your eyes. Somebody is going to come. Surprise. Close your eyes. Only if you all close your eyes, I'll show you. Shiva, close your eyes. Yeah. Let me show us. See who has. Now open your eyes and see who has come to say good evening to you. See who has. Open your eyes and see who has come to say good evening to you. Yeah, Chota Bhim has come today to say good evening to you. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to stop this. You all said good evening to Chota Bhim now, so we are coming back to see ma'am. Okay. You all said good evening to Chota Bhim? Yes? Yes? Did you all like it? Yes. Okay. Please stay on mute. You have to, what is our classroom rule? You should talk only when ma'am calls your name. Otherwise, you should show thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, no problem. You can show like this. Okay. But I wanted to know like this or this. No opening your mouth. Okay. Don't take. Please don't unmute. Okay. So now quickly we are going. I'm going to call out the attendance. We'll mark the attendance, and we're going to do an activity called Simon Says. You know what is that activity? Think ma'am is Simon. Okay, ma'am is going to say. Simon says, stand at 1 feet. So what you should do? You should stand with 1 feet. Okay. Ma'am will say. Simon says, jump. You'll all jump. Okay. Pratik, please stay on mute.
Mute.
Ma'am will say, no, not now, wait. Ma'am will say, Simon says, be sad. You all will do like this. Simon says, angry face. Stare at me like this. That's all we are going to do. Okay. So quickly we'll mark our attendance and we'll get back to that activity. So all set, ready. I'm going to call out the name quickly. Everybody stay alert. Once you hear your name, you have to say, don't confuse yourself. Relax yourself. You have to just say 3 things. Here I am. My name is Yo-Yo. That's it. Don't confuse like I am here. Don't say all this. Okay. Just say here I am. My name is, what is your name? And then Yo-Yo. Okay. So I'm calling Radha. What I'll say? Here I am. My name is Radha. Yo-Yo. Very simple. Okay. Stay relaxed. Don't confuse yourself. Cool. And then answer your attendance quickly. I'm going to start with, as usual, Adya Shri.
Here I am. My name is Adya Yo-Yo.
Very good. Arav.
My name is Sarava Yo-Yo.
Akshat.
Here I am. My name is Akshata Yo-Yo.
Very good. Arjun.
My name is Arjun. My name is Arjun Yo-Yo.
Here I am.
Here I am.
Dayanand. Gautam.
My name is Gautam Yo-Yo.
Here I am.
Yeah.
Okay. Ritvik.
My name is Kitvik Yo-Yo.
Jayakrish.
Here I am. My name is Jayakrish
Perfect.
Yo-Yo.
Kaushik.
Here I am.
Here I am. My name is Kaushik. My name is Kaushik.
Okay.
My name is Kaushik. I am Yo-Yo.
Very good, Kaushik. Kavin.
Here I am. My name is Kavin Yo-Yo.
Okay. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan has joined us. No. Arav Akshay, please sit straight. Think you're in the classroom. You cannot fight here. Your friends are watching you, right? They will think, Arav Akshay was a good boy, right? Why are you fighting? They'll think like that. Lakshita ji.
My name is Lakshita. Hi, Annie. Here I am. Yo-Yo.
Very good. Lakshraj.
My name is Lakshana. I like a yo-yo.
Here I am. Say here I am.
Here I am.
My name is Lakshraj.
My name is Lakshana. I
Yo-yo.
like a yo-yo.
Only yo-yo, beta.
Lisha. Lisha. Okay. Lakshita S. No, okay. Satvik.
My name is Satvik Yo-Yo.
Very good. Here I am.
Here I am, yo-yo.
Okay. Nivin Surya.
Yeah, ma'am. Yo-yo. My name is yo-yo.
Roshan.
Here I am. My name is Roshan. Yo-yo.
Very good. Mahaswan.
Roshan. Yo-yo.
Very good. Rayan.
Here I am. My name is Diane Robert. Yo-yo.
Very good. Sai Charan.
Here I am. My name is Sai Charan. Yo-yo.
Izan. Izan. Has Izan joined us back today? No, I don't think so. Shiva.
My name is Shiva. Here I am. Yo-yo.
Okay. Shravan.
My name is Shravan. Yo-yo.
Here I am. Varnika. Okay. Varnika. No. Okay. Yuvan Sai. Yuvan Sai.
Here I am. My name is Shivan Sai. Yo-yo.
Okay, very good. Thank you, children. Give a big round of clap. Give a big round of clap. Big clap. I want to see a big clap. Clapping everyone. Okay. Now quickly, we're going to do a short clapping activity and then we're going to go. Okay. When I say up, you're going to clap up. When I'm going to say down, you're going to clap down. When I say right, you're going to clap right. When I say left, you're going to clap left. Okay. Quickly, we're going to do. Let me see how many people are doing it properly. Okay. Let me see all of you there. Okay. Okay. So those who are doing correctly, let me see. Sit straight, everyone. Keep your pencils, everything down. We are not going to write anything now. You can take your pencil and notebook when we have something to write. Otherwise, sit freely, casually. No, nothing. Notebooks. I don't want any notebooks or pencils. Lakshita ji, can you keep your pencils and notebook down? Okay. I think somebody is standing there. Is it Nivin Surya? Nivin Surya, can you please sit down, relax yourself? Okay. Now, clap down. Clap down. Ma'am is clapping down. Clap down. Clap up. Clap right. Clap left. Okay, show me your right hand. Which is your right hand? Everybody show me your right hand. No, the hand with which you eat. That's your right hand. Yeah, you should clap on the right side. Okay. When you say hi, with which hand you will say hi? That is your right hand. Okay. Clap on your right. Clap on your right. Clap on your left. Left. Up. Up, up. I said up. Down. Down, down. It should be down. Okay, okay. So now what we are going to play that Simon game. Okay, now everybody is out of sleep. Anybody lazy, feeling tired? Lakshita ji, can you please keep the lunchbox down? I want to see your face. Okay. So now we are going to do the Simon Says game. Ma'am will say, Simon says, turn around, you all should turn around. Okay? Krithvik, can you please stay on mute? Krithvik, please stay on mute. Thank you. Okay. So when ma'am says, Simon says, jump up high, you are going to jump up. Okay. Simon says, touch your feet, you're going to touch your feet. Okay. So everybody stand, please stand. Slowly on the floor or wherever you're sitting, please stand up. Stand up. Yes. Okay. Are you all ready? Show me thumbs up. Let me see how many people are ready and how many are not ready. Quick. We want to do this quickly. Yeah, I can see Aravaksha showing thumbs up. Stand up, stand straight. Okay. Ready? Okay. Simon says, touch your feet. Quickly, touch your feet. Touch your feet. Down. Yeah, bend down, touch your feet. Okay. Simon, you inside, do touch your feet, you inside. You inside, please touch your feet. I'm seeing you. Touch your feet. Bend. Yes. Okay. Simon says, jump up high. Jump one time, only one time. Okay. Simon says, show me angry face. Let me see all your angry faces. My God, Saijan, I'm so scared. You're scaring me. Angry face. Oh, Jayakrish, don't show me like that. I'm afraid. I'm going to cry now. Okay, show me sad face. That's so cute, Shravan. Roshan, show me sad face. Angry face is done. Sad. Okay. Show me smiley face. Show me surprise. Simon says surprised. Okay. Simon says wave your hands. Okay. Now thank you so much. Sit down. We are done with the small activity. I want everybody to freshen up. Okay. Now sit down, please. Sit down. Okay. So I'm just going to recall what have we been learning this last 2 days. Today is, you know what is today? Wednesday. Whoa. Yesterday we learned W, right? Shiva, no more toys. We are in the classroom. Can you please keep that down? We are in the classroom. So no toys, nothing. Okay. All people should follow classroom rule 5 rule. What are the 5 rules? Look on to ma'am. Your eyes should look to ma'am. Ears open to hear what ma'am says. Mouth open or closed? Closed. No talking. Okay. Then hands onto your lap and foot on the floor. Okay. No writing. Nothing now. Only when I say writing, you should take a notebook and pencil. Otherwise, keep it down. Aravaksha, sit straight. Don't touch each other. Sit straight. Okay. So today is Wednesday. So Monday, you remember what we learned? We learned about emotions. Aravaksha, please sit straight. No fighting there. Don't touch each other. Move and sit. Okay, we learned about emotions. You remember? Happy, sad, surprised, angry, silly, excited. That all we learned, right? And yesterday we learned about hygiene. Did you all brush your teeth yesterday twice? Did you all take bath today? Has anybody come to this class today without taking bath or brushing your teeth? Anybody? If so, raise your hand. I'm not going to raise my hand. I took bath, I brushed. So I'm not going to raise my hand. No, if you didn't take bath, you should raise your hand. Then please say hand. If you didn't take bath, you should raise your hand. Dayanand, please stay on mute, Dayanand. My voice is echoing, please. Okay. Shravan, you took bath? Yes. Then put your hands down. Okay. So we learned about hygiene. So we should bathe daily. We should brush 2 times. We should wash our hands after we use toilets. Then we should sneeze, closing it with the handkerchief. And when we cough also, we should use handkerchief. Then what did we learn? We should keep our plates clean, cleaning up our toys, cleaning up our books and notebooks. Then what did we learn? We should cut our nails. We should wash our hair, comb it properly. Yes. Now today we are going to learn about good touch and bad touch. Okay. Junior KG, remember you already knew good touch and bad touch. Today I'm going to tell you with a short story. Okay. You remember I showed you one of our friend, Sam. We named him Sam. You remember him? Yeah. Sam has one more friend. Okay. I'm going to show. This is her. Her name is Tina. Okay. Sam and Tina are very good friends. And one day, you know what happened? They were sitting in the park and they were talking and playing. That time, you know, one of our friend, our old friend, I think you would all have forgot him. I'm going to show him and ask his name. I'm going to call one of you. You're going to tell his name if you remember. Okay. Okay. Dun. Shiva, you remember him?
Yes.
What is his name?
Yes.
Name.
What is his
My
name?
name is Shiva.
Yeah.
His name is Shiva. This broad name is
இப்ப சொன்னியே சத்தமா சொல்லு.
தெரியலையே.
his name is Peter. Okay. Peter is coming to meet these two friends, Sam and Tina. Okay. And Peter is saying, hi Sam. Sam is saying, hi Tina. Hi Tina. Tina is also saying, hi. Okay. So now Peter is telling, see, my ma'am said tomorrow she is going to teach us good touch and bad touch. Can you help me before I go to school tomorrow? Yes, we will help you. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to sit and listen. So Peter is going down, sitting down and is going to listen. Okay. Now, Sam, like you all should sit down properly and listen. You're all friends of Peter, right? Sit down and listen carefully. So Sam is going to tell, and Sam and Tina are going to tell Peter what are good touch and bad touch. Okay. So Tina is first asking, hi Sam, do you know what is good touch is? Then he's saying, yes, when somebody touches you and you feel happy and you are not at all scared, then it is called good touch. Lakshita ji, please keep your pencils and notebooks down. I just want you to look onto the screen and listen to the story. Only then I'm going to give you a star. Please, good girl, right? See, I've got two friends for you. Please keep your notebooks and pencils down. Sit straight, look on to me. You can write that later. Okay. Satvik, you too. Keep those things down. Then only you can listen, Satvik. See, I've got two friends for you. They're going to come to see you. If you don't listen to them, they'll feel sad and they're going to go down. You want them to be sad? No, right? Okay. So he's saying, Sam is telling, Tina, you know what is good touches? When somebody touches you and you feel happy, you're not at all afraid, then it is good touch. Then what is bad touch? When somebody touches you, you feel scared. You don't like, then it is called bad touch. Okay. When somebody whom you know, okay, whom do you like your father, mother, grandfather, they touch you, hug you, then it is good touch. When some uncle or auntie, you don't know them, they come and touch you and hug you, do you like them? Do you like it? No, that is bad touch. Okay. Then he's asking, oh, if some stranger, some people, uncle or auntie, I don't know, they come and touch me, what should I do? He's asking Tina. Tina is saying, Sam, don't worry. When somebody like that comes and touches you and you don't like, you shout, don't touch me. You tell them, don't touch me, and you go run. You go and tell your father and mother. Okay? Don't be afraid. Sam says, I'm little afraid, Tina. Tina is saying, you should not be afraid. You should always be brave. Okay. So then he's asking, okay, so what are good touch and bad touch you told me? Can you show me some pictures so that I'll also see? Let me see. Sam is saying, don't worry, Tina. Ma'am is going to show some pictures. Okay? We're going to see some pictures. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes. See? Now we are seeing two screens. Okay, this is our Tina and this is our Sam. Okay. See, we learned about body parts last week. You remember? So when somebody touches, when the person, the uncle or auntie or somebody who you see, you don't like them or you don't know them, but they come and touch your lips, then that is not a good touch at all. You don't allow them to touch your lips, except your parents, your family members. Your family, don't allow anybody to touch your lips. And you remember you showed the body part, chest below your neck. You should not allow anybody to touch your chest. Okay? Then between your legs, you have stomach and then you have legs, right? You should not allow anybody to touch your legs or your back. Okay? So these three are very important body parts where you should not allow other than your parents or your grandparents or your family members. Other than that, you should not allow anybody to touch these body parts. Okay? And when you don't know them, you should not even go and talk to them. Okay? When some uncle comes, you are playing in the park. Okay? When some uncle comes and talk to you, you should not talk to them. You should go tell your mother, some uncle is coming and talking to me, he's touching me. Okay? So I'm going to stop sharing. You're going to come back here. Did you all learn now what is good touch and bad touches? Okay. If somebody touches your cheeks, is it a good touch or bad touch? I'm going to ask Grutvik. When somebody comes and touches your cheeks, okay, you don't like it. So what you should do? Can you please unmute and talk? When somebody comes, yeah, okay. If it's an uncle whom you know, then it is okay. But if it's some stranger and you don't like him touching your cheek or something, what you should do? Go tell your parents. Okay? When some uncle is touching your lips, you should not allow them. That's very, very bad. Yes, you should tell your parents. That's a very bad touch. Okay? Mahaswin.
Okay.
Mahaswin. Can your mother touch your lips? Is that a good touch or bad touch?
Bad.
Mother can touch the lip, right? You like your mother? You like your mother, right?
Good.
Yeah, that's a good touch. So, if your father, mother touches it, it's a good touch. Okay. Diane. Okay, Diana, tell me. You're playing in a park. When some uncle or auntie touches your chest, is it a good touch or bad touch?
Bad touch.
Yeah, you should not allow them to touch it. That's a bad touch. Okay, very good. M. Satvik. Can you sit down? Yeah. Okay. Satvik, touching your back bum, is that a good or bad touch? Very bad. Yes, it's a bad touch. Yes. Very good. Lakshraj.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. If somebody touches your body part between your legs, is it a good touch or bad touch?
Bad touch.
No, bad touch. That's very, very bad. Yes. Okay. So you all learned about good touch and bad touch along with Sam and Tina. You liked it? You all got to know, right? So to end it, what I'm going to tell something is when you feel happy, when you are not afraid, and the person you know, it's the uncle or auntie whom they're touching you, you know them, then it's a good touch. When somebody you don't like, you don't know them, and if they touch you, you don't like it, then it's a bad touch. Tell them, don't touch me. Even if then they touch you, run fast, go tell your parents. Don't be afraid. Okay? Show me thumbs up. You are all brave children, right? Show me thumbs up. Yes, very good, children. Okay, so we learned about good touch and bad touch now. So now quickly what we'll do is, just give me a moment. Yeah. I want you all to take your rough note. We'll do the worksheet quickly and we are going to draw a turtle today. Okay. So those who have worksheet, please take the worksheet SRD08 Day 8 LT language worksheet. Those who have rough note, please take your rough note, put today's date, write your name. I'm going to write date. You're going to write along with me. Please get ready with your rough note and your pencil. Yes, that's the worksheet, ma'am. She was mom, right? Yeah, that's the worksheet. Sai children, take the worksheet, date 08. I'm going to show the worksheet. Before that, just give me a moment. I'll just open that. Yes, that's the worksheet. Yes, Grithvik, that's the worksheet. I'm going to show you now. Are you all able to see my screen? You're having the same worksheet, right? It's day 08 LTWS01. And I'm going to write the date. You're going to write along with me. Today's date is 24/06/2020, and I'm going to write my name as well. You're also going to write your name. Oops. I wrote my name and today's date. So you're also going to write your name and today's date. It's 24/06/2020. Don't write Radha. I just wrote my name. Okay, you don't have to write this. You just write your name and write today's date. Are you all writing? Those who have worksheet, write your name. Where should you write your name? On the top? No, here. You should write your name here. And before I forget, I'll tell you something. I saw a few worksheets where I didn't point out, but here I just wanted to make a note. See, if you are tracing the number names, so I'll just write here. I'll just take a worksheet here. I can tell you. Oops, I don't want this. Okay, yeah. See, suppose you're tracing this worksheet, okay? So what you should do is, I see few worksheets, not everybody, few worksheets where you're tracing, right? For especially for T and I, you're writing T, but you're not tracing this line, this one. Okay, so just ensure children, all the children there, when you're tracing T, you are writing like this. You should trace here also. And one more thing, when you write I, the dot is very small. So you put a 1 and then keep a dot nicely so that it's visible. So whenever you write T, ensure that you're tracing it nicely like this and then like this. Okay. And whenever you're writing I, make sure that you're writing a 1 standing line and then keeping a dot above. Oops. Yeah, I just scribbled it. You're keeping a dot above. Okay, so these two things I want to tell you. So those who are tracing in the worksheet, just check if you're doing this every time. Okay. Okay, now getting back to this worksheet, we are going to do this worksheet. I'm going to call one by one. I'll just take out the order so that we'll ensure that everybody is getting a chance today. Okay, I'm going to start with, as usual, I'm going to come from the back. Okay, so I'm going to call Yuvan Sai first. Yuvan Sai, what is the first picture, Yuvan Sai? Are you able to see my screen? What is the first picture? Yuvan Sai, are you there? Oops. Has somebody joined now? Okay, I don't know. Okay, Yuvan Sai, are you able to see my screen? What is the first picture, Yuvan Sai? It's not hammer. It looks like hammer. It's axe. 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 So A. Everybody say axe. Okay. Next one. Yuvan Sai, tell me the next one. What is the next one? What is the next picture?
Balloon, ma'am.
Balloon. What is starting with
Balloon.
balloon? What is starting with a balloon? Balloon. Balloon. What?
Baba balloon.
So what I should write? C.
B.
B. Very good. Yeah. Start from the red line. Go till the blue line. First blue line and then the second blue line. Write B. Balloon. Axe. Balloon. Okay, I'm going to call, I think Lakshita is there. Lakshita ji, what is the next picture? Cat. Okay. Cat. So what shall you write? What should I write here? Cat. What should I write here? Cat. No, cat. Cat. What letter is that? C. Cat. C.
Enna panama? Great cat.
Okay, I just left somebody, no? I'm going to call Shravan next. Shravan, tell me what is the next picture, Shravan?
Drum.
Drum. So drum. Drum. So what letter should I write there? Drum.
D.
Very good. D. Drum. So write D, children. Drum. Everybody just write D and then look on the screen so that you'll also learn. I might call anybody's name, so please look on the screen. Next one, Shiva. What is this Shiva picture? Train. Okay. And this one more thing, engine. Engine. So I'm going to write E there. What I'm going to write? E. Okay. Engine. Engine. So
Say.
one.
Engine.
Engine. Elephant. Engine. I'm going to write engine. Okay.
Engine.
Very good, Shiva. Next, I'm going to call. Izan is not there. Okay, I'm going to call Sai Charan. Tell me what is the next picture. What is this animal? What is this animal?
Fox.
Very good. What is starting letter for fox? Fox. Very good. Now I'm going to write F. Okay, are you going to write in your worksheet? Fox. Write F. 1. Sleeping line. Fox. Next, I'm going to call. Okay, Ryan. What is the next picture, Ryan? What is this animal? Again, an animal. What is this animal? A bigger monkey. It is not monkey. It is a bigger monkey. What is that, Ryan? Are you there? Ryan, are you able to see my screen? What is the next picture? It's a bigger monkey. What is that? Gaga. Ryan? Okay, I'll move on to the next person there. Mahaswin, tell me what is the next picture, Mahaswin? What is that animal, Mahaswin?
This one now.
Gorilla.
Yeah, gorilla. What is starting letter for gorilla? Gorilla.
Gorilla starting letter ఏంటి చెప్పు.
It's G or J?
G.
Very good. G. It's Gagga, right? So G. Gagga gorilla. Next, I'm going to call Roshan. Tell me what is the next picture, Roshan. What is the animal, Roshan? horse. What is starting letter for horse? Do you know that? Ha ha horse. Ha ha sound. Ha ha horse. Ha ha hand. What is the starting letter? Ha ha. Very good. Ha ha. Yes. Ha ha hand. Ha ha horse. Ha ha help. Okay. Next one is on the line.
Ma'am, you didn't call Nivin Surya.
I'm coming in the reverse order. I'll call his name. Don't worry, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is Nivin Surya. After Roshan, it's Nivin Surya. I'm coming from the reverse alphabetical order. I'll call him. Don't worry. Everybody will get a chance. After Roshan, it is Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya, tell me what is the next picture? What is this type of house? Igloo. Yeah. Yes. Igloo. Whenever you have E sound, you should write igloo. Iguana. You should write I. You should not write E. When you hear E sound, you should not write I. It's little confusing. Whenever you hear then you should write E. Whenever you hear E sound, you should not write E. You should write I. Igloo. Iguana. Okay? You should write I. Next, after Nivin Surya, who is in the line now? Satvik. What is the next picture, Satvik? What's this? Is it a cup?
This is a jug.
Ah, yes, it's a jug. So what is starting for jug? Jug. Jug. J sound. J sound. Juice.
Yeah.
Very good. Perfect. Very good. Juice. Okay, I'm going to take yellow color and then I'm going to write J. When you write J, please check you're writing 1. And is this correct, J? Satvik, is this correct, J? What ma'am has written, is this correct? Wrong. Ma'am is writing J wrong. I know. Ma'am don't know what to write J. How should write J? I should put a sleeping line. I should put a standing line and then bend towards my left hand side. Have I written it right now? Have I written it correct?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much for helping, Satvik. Next, I'm going to call Lakshita. S is not here. Lisha is not here. Lakshraj. What is the next picture? Who is this? King. Yeah, lion. Yeah, king.
K.
King. 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 So we will write K here, okay? King. Check it, ma'am is writing K properly. Standing line. Like this and like this. Have I written K correctly, Lakshraj?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next, after Lakshraj, I'm going to call Lakshita ji. What is this animal? Again, we get an animal. What is this animal?
Tiger.
No, it's not tiger. Yeah. Lion, lollipop, lamp. Yeah, lion. So I'm going to write lion. I'm going to write L. Lion. Are you all with me? Are you all writing along with me? Children out there, no keeping a pencil on the mouth, inside the mouth. Pencil is for writing, not for eating. Okay. Next one. Who is the next line? I'm going to see. Okay, Kumara Gorban is not with us today. Kavin. What is the animal, Kavin?
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. Monkey. Say monkey.
Monkey.
So what should I write? What should I write here? What letter should I write here?
Yummy.
Very good. Yum. Say When you have nice food, it's very tasty. You will say monkey. Yeah, monkey. you all written this? We'll just recall one more time. Axe, for those who have not written, please double check. Axe, balloon, cat, the drum, engine, fox, gorilla, horse, igloo, jug, king, lion, monkey. Okay, now I'm going to move to the next worksheet. Those who are doing the worksheet, then turn on the page. SRD08LT WS02. You will have like this. You will have the nose octopus picture like this. You can start the worksheet now. You can write the name and date later too. No problem. Okay, next I'm going to call. Kavin is done. Okay, then I'm going to call Kaushik. Yeah, Kaushik, tell me, Kaushik, what is this body part? Are you able to see? No, you're not able to see. It's the nose. It's the nose. Just cut the nose and paste it here.
Octopus. Nose. Sun.
Nose. Nose. Say nose. Nose. Yeah, we are going to write N now. Okay. Standing line, slanting line, and then a standing line. Nose. Please write nose.
Ma'am, it's octopus. Octopus.
Who is that? I will call your name. You should not say that. Ryan, please take the pencil out of your mouth. Roshan, are you writing, Roshan? Yeah. Okay, the next one. Next one is, I'm going to call Jay Krish. Tell me, you only told that. I didn't hear that. Who told me? Jay Krish, what is the next picture?
Octopus.
Yeah, octopus. Water animal. Octopus. 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 Orange. So what is the starting letter, Jay Krish, for this? I didn't hear that properly. What is starting letter? Yeah, oh. So oh, I don't have person, sorry. Oh, right at O. Yeah. Okay, next after Jay Krish, who I'm going to call is Ritvik, tell me what is the next picture? What is this vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Yeah, very good. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. So what should I write here? What letter should I write here? Pumpkin. P. Pumpkin.
P.
P. Very good. Put a P like this.
Pumpkin.
Whenever you write P, just checks because many people will get confused with this. This is Nayan. This is 9. First a circle and then a 1 is Nayan. First 1 and then a circle. This right side is P. Don't get confused with 9 and P. This is Nayan. This is P. We are going to write P now. Next one, ma'am is going to answer. This is next one is a bird, quail, quack, quail. So I'm going to write Q here. Quail, quack, quail, Q. So I'm going to call Gautam. Gautam, what is this flower, Gautam?
Rose.
Rose. What is starting letter for rose? Rose. Radha. Roshan. Rubber. So what I will write here? What letter should I write here?
R.
Yes, write R. 1 inverted C and then a slanting line R. Are you all writing? Let me come and see then. Siva, you wrote? Or you are not writing? Why are you having it like that? Right, Shiva. Then only I'll give you a star. Very good, Shravan. I'm seeing that. Right.
Finished incident.
Right, slowly, no problem.
Let's finish.
Okay, good. Then I'm going to call Shravan is done. Dayanand. Dayanand, what is the next picture? Dayanand.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next picture? Sun. What is starting letter for sun? Sun.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Snake. Satvik. Sun. Strawberry. Yeah, strawberries. Snow. Snowman. We saw that, right? Yesterday. Okay, then I'm going to call. Dayanand is done. Then I think Aravaksha is there. Arjun. Okay. Arjun. Dear Arjun. What is the next picture, Arjun?
Tomato.
Very good. Very good. Tomato. So what is Latin for tomato? Tomato. Tomato. Tea. Very good. Tea. Right, tea. Tomato. Tea. Tomato. Tea. Arav. What is the next picture, Arav?
Yes, sir. Umbrella.
Umbrella. So what should I write here? Very good. Umbrella. What should I write? Very good. Perfect. Bingo answer. You. Very good. Umbrella. Very good. Next, I'm going to call Akshad. What is the next picture?
Violet.
Very violet. No, it's violin. Violin. So I'm going to write V here. Violin. Then I think Akshad is done. Arav is done. Adya Shri. Finally, Adya Shri. What is the fruit, Adya Shri? You like this fruit?
Watermelon, ma'am.
Yeah, do you like watermelon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so watermelon. What is starting letter for watermelon? Watermelon.
Yes. This is the watermelon. W.
Very good. W. Watermelon. Watermelon.
Mama, I'm finished. Mom, I'm finished.
Who's that?
I'm finished, Mom.
Sorry, your voice is too loud. I'm not able to get you. Can you please stay on mute? Somebody is out of mute. I don't know who's-
Mom, I'm finished.
Okay, Dayanand, please stay on mute. Good, Dayanand. Very good, Dayanand. Please stay on mute. Good.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, next one is xylophone. Ma'am is going to write now. Xylophone. Xmas tree. X-ray. So I'm going to write X. Okay. And the next one is yo-yo. Yo-yo. Daily we are saying yo-yo, right? That is different. And this is a toy. Yo-yo. Y. And then last one is zoo. Zoo. The zoo. Okay. So we have done with the worksheet. Now what we are going to do is we quickly going to refresh number names and then we are going to draw the turtle. Okay. Quickly I'll show you. We are going to revise this number names today. Okay. So are you able to see my screen? Everybody finish writing? Anybody still writing? No, right? Then keep your pencils down. No notebooks. I don't want to see any notebooks and pencils anymore. After finish writing, please keep it down. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to see. Okay, what did I give here? I'm just going to see that. Okay. We are going to see number names 21 to 30 and then 20, 10, 20. Yesterday we saw, right, the number names. The same thing we're going to revise one more time and then we're going to move on. Okay, yeah. So I want everybody to open your mouth and say it along with me. Children, are you ready? Are you ready? Everybody should open your mouth and say, okay? No unmuting it. Sit straight, everyone. Please sit straight. No dancing there. Sit straight. Thank you, Grithik. Thank you so much for that acknowledgement. Yeah, Rara Vaksha. Thank you. Sit straight, everyone. Okay, you're going to say along with me. Okay, I'm going to show the screen now. 10, 1, 0, 10. T-E-N, 10. 20, 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 30, 30. 30, 30. So TH, the sound. T, H, I, R, T, Y. 30. 40, 40. 40, 40. F, O, R, T, Y. 40. 50, 50. F, I, F, T, Y. 50. So what I want you to do today, children, is after the class is over, before tomorrow you come back to the class, I want you to write 10 to 50 one time in your rough note. That is the homework. So you're going to write number names from 10 to 50 in your rough note one time. Then I want to show this. See, you know, now if you know the spelling of 20, you can write number names from 29. You already know 1 to 10. Okay. So how will we write? Now we know the spelling. We have to learn the spelling for 20. So T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. 2, 1, 21. So if we learn the spelling 20, you already know the spelling for 1, right? O-N-E-1, we'll write it. 2, 2, 22. So if you learn the spelling T, W, E, N, T, Y, we can write 22. We'll just read the numbers today. Number names we'll read tomorrow. Okay. 2, 2, 22. See along with me. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Okay. So we are done with this. Now I'm going to stop sharing. You're all going to see me back. Quickly grab your rough note and a pencil. I'm going to show you. We're going to draw the turtle. See, I also got a paper like this. Give me a minute. I've got my marker. Okay, you're going to take your pencil. We're going to draw the turtle. After the class is over, you can color the turtle as you wish at home. Okay, now we'll just draw it now. It's very easy. We're going to learn how to draw the turtle today. Okay. See, ma'am is going to draw a first circle. I knew my children knew to draw a circle. They all drew and show me the smiley, right? So I know you all will know how to draw a circle. So draw a little bigger circle like this. And then ma'am is going to draw a small circle like this on the top of it. So first ma'am is drawing. I'll just draw by step maybe. First step, for those who are ready now, first ma'am is drawing a circle. Okay, and then the center. Okay, the center ma'am is going to draw a small circle. Okay, then you have right and left, right? To my right and left, I'm going to draw a small circle like that. Okay, you can draw, just put a mountain like this. It need not be a circle too, like this, small one. Let me see. My children are drawing. Yeah, very good. Everybody is drawing. Have you drawn like this? First a bigger circle, on the top center small circle, on to my left and right small circle. Okay. Are you able to see me? I'm just trying to see if okay. See? Okay. Now what we are going to draw is, we have drawn like this. So now onto the bottom, down also we are going to draw two, on my left one, on to my right one. The legs of the turtle. Legs of the turtle. So first bigger circle, small circle on the in the center, left hand side top 2 circles and bottom 2. You can draw like you will draw a mountain, no, like this. So like that you can draw like this. See? Like this you can put. Okay. Now we have drawn the legs of the turtle. Okay. Now ma'am is going to draw tail for the turtle. So tail, what you draw? Put a V. You know, right? V, right? Van, vulture. Wait. I think ma'am has changed it down. Okay. I think I changed it here. Okay. Oops. Give me a minute. I changed the view, so I'm not able to get you where I'm drawn. Okay. So circle, center a circle, left one, right one, left one, right one, and then a tail, V. Are you all with me now? Now we are going to draw 2 eyes for the turtle. Okay, now what we are going to draw is, we are going to put one line here. Give some gap. Put one line here. Put one line here. Draw a line here and draw one line here. Are you all with me? So, center one circle, left and right top, bottom 2. And then a tail. For tail, it's V. Gautam, you are not interested in drawing? Ryan is drawing, I can see. Roshan is drawing. Satvik is drawing. Yeah, Satvik mom is showing me. Yes. Shiva is showing me. Yes, very good. Nirvin Surya is showing me. Okay, good. Now you drew lines, right? You just join the lines. We drew lines, no? Join the lines. Join the lines. Very good. Easy. Turtle is easy now. Please stay on mute and show me. Who is this? Please stay on mute and then show me. Dayanand, stay on mute and then show me. I'll see. Yes, very nice, Dayanand. Good. I'll see all of your notebooks. Don't worry. You can color this nicely and send it to me. I'll see that. Okay. Nice, Adya. Nice, Aravakshat. Very good, Jai Krish. Gautam, good. Lakshraj, very good. Yes, Kaushik. Very good, Kaushik. Yes, Roshan. Draw it, no problem. Draw slowly, no problem. Yes, Satvik. Very good. Yes, Arjun. Nice, Arjun. Nice turtle. Very good. Coloring. Okay. Yes, Grutvik. Very nice, Grutvik. Yes, I saw that. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so what you have learned is, so we'll just wind up. We'll just recall what we learned. We learned about good touch, bad touch today. We wrote 2 worksheets. Okay, writing the starting letter for the pictures. We learned number names. Okay, so the homework is you're going to write number names 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Jayakrish, please take that out of your mouth. You're going to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Number name one time. Okay. And tomorrow, you're going to learn the starting. Tomorrow, when you come back, you're going to tell me the starting letter of your parents. Okay. Suppose, example, your parent, one of your father name is Ramesh. So, what is starting letter? Ramesh. So, you should say R. Okay. So, your mother name is Sumita. So, what is starting letter for Sumita? Sumita, S. So, like that, you ask your parents, you know already your parents' name, right? So, find out your starting letter of your parents and you're going to tell me tomorrow. Okay? Yes, you understood what is the homework? Yes, I think Ritvik understood. He showed me, Arjun showed me, Lakshat showed me, Aravakshad. Yes, Adya, you understood. So, understood, children, 2 things. One, write the number.
Don't shout.
Yes, Rajai, tell me.
My brother, look.
Your brother is also with you in the class. Okay, bring him to school when the school reopens. We'll have him for the senior KG. Okay.
Say hi.
Okay. So you're going to learn either your father, mother, or your brother, sister, whatever, whoever is in your family. You learn the starting letter. You find out. No, not learning. You find out the starting letter of their names. Okay. Yes. Will you tell me tomorrow, children? I'll ask you now. Okay. So you're going to write number names and then find out the starting letter of your family members. Yes, Rayan. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much, children. Say thank you, ma'am. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, good luck, everybody. Bye.